Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you an alternate method to install TrollStore on iOS 15.8.8, and if this method works on any higher version than iOS 15.8.8, I will mention that in the title, description and thumbnail so that you can see that this method will work for you. You can use this method if you have already tried to install TrollStore using TrollRestore and it did not work for you somehow. So instead of using TrollRestore, you can also now use TrollInstallerDark. It is also completely free and you can easily get it from its official GitHub page. To install it, you can use Impactor. You can also use Sideloadly, iLoader. It's your choice. Before you get the IPA for TrollInstallerDark, first of all, if you didn't install iTunes already, install iTunes first on your Windows PC from the official Apple's website. You can simply get it from here and then install it like any other app. Then from the official GitHub page for Impactor, Impactor is also completely free. You can get Impactor from under releases. Then simply scroll down and get this Impactor Windows file and install it by simply following the steps. Then from the official GitHub page of TrollInstallerDark, simply get the IPA from under releases. Before you get the IPA from here, make sure that you disable Defender or turn it off temporarily. Once the process is complete and TrollInstallerDark is installed on your device, make sure you turn it on. We are doing this so that the process goes on smoothly. Alright, as you can see, I got the TrollInstallerDark IPA on my PC. Now at this point, I will connect to my device via USB and then fire up Impactor. Your device now should show up here. Now on your device, if you see any trust dialog boxes, simply allow them. Now as you can see for this video, we are using an iPhone 7 which is currently running iOS 15.8.8. Alright. Before you use Impactor, you will have to add your Apple ID. Any Apple ID will work. Simply hit this gear icon, add your Apple ID here by hitting add account. Once added, simply hit back. Now hit import IPA button and from there select TrollInstallerDark IPA. Hit open and then hit install and wait for the process to finish. Alright, you can see it is now finished and I have the TrollInstallerDark at the home screen of my device. Now we can close out of Impactor and follow the rest of the process on device. Alright guys, we are now on device and you can see it is the same device running iOS 15.8.8. Now before you can open TrollInstallerDark, first of all go to settings, now go to general, then go to device management and trust this app from here. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected before you hit trust. Once trusted, simply go back and then you can open the TrollInstallerDark app. Now if you want to choose the tips app as the persistence helper and you have removed it, you can easily install it using the official app store. You can search for it and install it from here. Simply open it, then hit install TrollStore. Wait for the process to finish. Also make sure you're connected to the internet before you hit install TrollStore button, as it will get the kernel first. So this process can take some time depending on the speed of your internet connection. Alright, now it will ask you which app you want to make the persistence helper. So I will go with tips. You can see it successfully installed TrollStore. Now you can go back and you will see it here on your home screen. You can open it. It will install LDIT. Now if you head to settings, you can see the tips app is already the persistence helper. So you're all set. Now if you check out the tips app, you can see it is indeed the persistence helper. And TrollStore will work normally without issues. Now, yes, TrollStore will work even if you restart your device. So I will test it. I will simply turn off my device first and turn it on again. Alright, we are back on. Now if I open TrollStore, you can see it works without issues. Now, in case if you want to jailbreak this version, you can install dopamine via TrollStore. I have already made a full guide regarding it. You can check it out from the description. It is very easy to follow. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.